Now next question, write the prime factors of the following by drawing factor tree. So just before what we did the same 28, first we have to take 28 into table, when you will get 2 14s are 2 14s are 28. Next after that 14 we have to split, 2 7s are. So then after that we can't split this 2 and this 7. So these are the prime numbers. Now we have to write prime factors. 28 is 2 into 2 into 7, 2 into 2 into 7, 2 to the 4, 4 7 are 28. In that way we have to split. Then this 40, 2 20s are 40, 2 20s are 40. Again this 20, 2 10s are 20. Again this 2 we can't split, this 10 we have to split, 2 5s are 10. And after that these 2 we can't split and this 5 we can't split. So why? Because they are the prime numbers. Then 40, how to write as a product of these prime numbers? 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. This, in this way we have to write. Here also in this way we have to write 2 into 2 into 7. Here 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay. Now after that write all prime numbers below 35. This you have to remember. So prime numbers. So this you have to remember, prime numbers below, prime numbers below 35. Two is an even prime number, 2, after that 3 is a prime number, after that 5 is a prime number, after that 7 is a prime number, after that 11 is a prime number, then 13 is a prime number, then 17 is a prime number, then 19 is a prime number, then 20 is a composite, 21 is also composite, 23 is a prime number, 24 is a composite number, 25 is a composite number, 27 is also composite number, 29 is a prime number, then 31, then 33 is a prime number, it is not a prime number, 33, 11 3s are 33, it will come. Then 34 is a composite number and 35 is also composite number. These are the prime numbers below 35, below 35. These 2 will come in 1 and itself, these 3 also, 1 3s are 3, no other table it will come, 5 also, 1 5s are 5, in other table it won't come, 7 also, 1 7s are 7, in other table it won't come, and 11 also, 13, like this all the numbers. So they won't come in other tables. So like this you have to check and you have to write. In any other table it will come, so then don't write. So only one and itself, the numbers only one and itself, so they are the prime numbers. So other are composite numbers. Here the next one, write the even prime numbers. So what we discussed before only, all even numbers are composite numbers, all even numbers are composite numbers except 2. 2 is an even prime number. So our answer is 2. 2 is even number as well as prime number. So that is why this is called even prime number. Okay. Now students, next topic is divisibility topic. So what is meant by divisibility? So divisibility, how to check whether the given number is divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 10, so and so whatever number. So here in your syllabus divisibility test for 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10 is there. First, so whether the number is divisible by 2 or not, how to check? It is very simple, already we discussed. If any number is divisible by 2, that means the number should be even. All even numbers are divided by 2. For example, so this is even number. How this is even number? So we have to check what is there in ones place. In ones place 6 is there. 6 is an even number. If the last digit is even, then the number is even. If the number is even, then that is divided by 2, divisible by divisible. This is divisible by 2. This number is divisible by 2. Why? Because this number is even. So how you know that this number is even? We have to check what is there in ones place. Ones place 6 is there, 6 is even number. So that is why this number is divisible by 2. If suppose one more number is 27967, here in this number this is there 7 in ones place. So this is odd number, 7 is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. So whether the number is divisible by 2 or not, how to check? We have to check what is there in ones place. If in ones place, if 2 is means even number is there, then that is divisible by 2. If odd number is there, then it is not divisible by 2. Only small, we have small means only a little. So little clue is there. So what is that? In ones place. In ones place, what is there? In ones place, if even is there, then divisible by 2. If odd is there, then not. Okay. So this is the divisibility test for 2. Then after that, divisibility test for 3. So what is the divisibility test? How to check whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not? So for example, so this number is there. Either this number is divisible by 3 or not. How to check? How to check? First, so we have to add the digits. Sum of the digits we have to find. Means 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 0 plus 3 plus 1. So all these digits, how many digits we have? 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 digits we have to take. So then add all these 6 digits. 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 8 plus 0 is 8. If 0 is there, no need to take that 0. 8 plus 0, 8, 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. What is our sum? 12. 12 is divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12. 12 will come in 3 table. So it is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. If you want to check, once you check. 251,031 divided by 3 first. This 25 we have to take. 3 8s are 24. Then minus 1 will come, and after that this one. 3 3s are 9. 11 minus 9, 2. Then after that 0. 3 6 are 18 minus 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 1 minus 1, 0, no need to take. Then after that 3. 3 7s are 21. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Again this one. 21. 3 7s are 21. 21 minus 21, 0. So in this way we have to verify that this number is divisible by 3. So shortcut is there. How to check whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not? So whatever the digits were given, whatever the number is given, so in that number we have to add all the digits. 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 0 plus 3 plus 1. So what is the sum? This here we will get sum 12. If the sum is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. If you want to check, once you check. Okay. So first condition for 2, if the number is even, then that is divisible by 2. The first one for 2. So even how to check whether the number is even or odd? In ones place, if the number is even, the number is even. So it means the number is divisible by 2. In ones place, if the number is odd, then the number is odd number, so it is not divided by 2. That is for 2. Then divisible by 3, divisibility for 3, we have to add the digits. Sum of the digits we have to find. If sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the given number is also divisible by 3. So in this way. Okay. Then 5. It is very easy. For 5, it is very easy how to check last digits. Last digit in the number 0 or 5. In the last digits 0 or 5 is there, then that numbers are divisible by 5. Suppose example 2035 19750. So these two numbers were there. In these number, what is there in ones place? In ones place 0 is there. Here what is there in ones place? In ones place 5 is there, in ones place 0 is there. If in ones place 0 or 5 is there, so then that number is divisible by 5. For divisibility for 5, last digit we have to check, that means ones place we have to check. If in ones place 0 or 5, any one, 0, either 0 or 5 is there in ones place, then that number is divisible by 5. This is the rule for 5. Okay, 2, 3, 5, these 3 over. Next, divisibility test for 6. Then how to check whether the given number is divisible by 6 or not? Here, for that, if any number is divisible by 2 and 3, then that number is divisible by 6. Like 21510, this number is there. Whatever the number, first we have to check it is divisible by 2 or not. First, this number, even number, last digit is even, so divisible by 2. Why divisible by 2? Because last digit is even, so that is why it is divisible by 2. Next, we have to check in 3 table. For 3 table, we have to add the digits 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 0. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 0 9. This 9 is divisible by it is divided by 2, it is divided by 3. So, this number is divided by 2 as well as divided by 3. If this number is divided by 2 as well as 3, then it is divided by 6. Once you check 21510 divided by 6. First you take 21, 6 3s are 18, then take 11, 11 minus 8 3, then after that 5, 6 5s are 30, then minus 5 minus 0 5, 3 minus 3 0, then after that 1, 6 8s are 48, borrow 11, 11 minus 8 3, then after that 0, 6 5s are 30, answer is, remainder is 0. So, it is divided by 6. For divisibility for 6, first we have to check the given number is divisible by 2 or not. Then after that the number is divisible by 3 or not. When the number is divided by 2 as well as 3, then the number is divided by 6. Okay. Here divisibility test for 9. So, for 9 how to check? So, this is also similar to this 3. In 3 table, how we did the same pattern we have to do here also. Sum of the digits we have to find. If sum of the digits divisible by 9, then the number is also divisible by 9. See here 57115, this is the number. So, either this number is divisible by 9 or not. How to check? First we have to add the digits, sum of the digits we have to find. 5 plus 7 plus 1 plus 5. 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 5 18. This is 18. 18 is divisible by 9, 9 2s are 18. Sum of the digits 18 is divisible by 9. So, this number is also divisible by 9. Once you check 5715 divisible by 9. Here this 9, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, then 3 1 31, 9 3s are 27, 9 3s are 27, minus 4 left, then 5, 9 5s are 45 0. So, like this we have to check. So, simple. So, whatever the condition is there for this 3, so the same condition is there for 9. If sum of the digits divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Here also, if sum of the given numbers, sum of the digits of a given number divisible by 9, then that number is also divisible by 9. So, the conditions for 3 and 9 were same. For this 6, the number should be divisible by 2 as well as 3. For 5, the last digit of a given number should be 0 or 5. So, this is the concept 2, 3, 5, 6, then 9. What about 10? If the last digit in the given number is 0, then that number is divisible by 10, like 25098050. So, last digit we have to check, that means ones place. What is there in ones place? If ones place 0 is there, then that number is divisible by 10. So, suppose the number is 250976 is there. What is there in ones place? 6, that is not 0. So, it is not divisible by 10. So, in unit place if 0 is there, in unit place if 0 is there, then the number is divisible by 10. For divisible by 5, divisibility for 5, last digit either 0 or 5. It should be 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. For 10, last digit means ones digit should be 0, then the number is divisible by 10. So, these are the divisibility conditions for 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10. Okay. In exercise 4, so these questions based on divisibility test. The first question, which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? Divisible by 2, he is asking 2. The first number is 840, 840. So, then this number is divisible by 2 or not, we have to check. So, this is our ones place. So, ones place 0 is there, so this is even number. So, given number is even, given number is even, so it is divisible by 2. The last digit is 0, 0 is even number. So, this number is even, it is divisible by 2. Then here, what is there in ones place? Ones place 1 is there. So, this is odd number, this is odd number. So, it is not divided by 2. Given number is odd, given number is odd number. So, it is not divisible by 2, divisible by 2, it is not divided by 2. The divisibility is over for 2. Next, in the second bit, which of the following numbers are divisible by 3? Divisible by 3. Here a divisibility test for 3. So, what is the divisibility test for 3? We have to add sum of the digits first. Here sum of the digits. Sum of the digits 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 is not divided by 3. 7 is not divisible by 3. So, number is also, so the number is also not divisible by 3. For divisibility test for 3, we have to find sum of the digits. If sum of the digits divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. Here also 63. Here sum of the digits we have to find. Sum of the digits, sum of the digits. Six plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So, the number 63 is also divisible by 3. So, like this we have to check in 3 table. It is for 2 table, this is for 3 table. In 3 table one more question is given, that question you do as your home assignment. Okay. Here the next question, what he is asking, so divisibility test for 5. So, for divisibility test for 5, if the last digit means ones place, in ones place 0 or 5 is there, then the number is divided by 5. Here what is there in ones place? 4 is there. In ones place 4 is there, so it is not divided by 5. In ones place 4 is there, so it is not divisible by 5. Here what is there in ones place? Here in 70, in ones place 0 is there, in ones place 0 or 5, any one is there, then it is divisible by 5, otherwise it won't. Here 0 is there, in ones place 0 is there, so it is divisible by 5. The next 96, what is there in ones place? In ones place 6 is there. If in ones place 6 is there, then it is not divisible by 5. In ones place 6 is there, so it is not divisible by 5. Okay. For 2 we have to check either the number is even or odd. For 3, so we have to check, for 3 we have to find the sum of the digits. If sum of the digits divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. For 5, last digit, this is third question. So, in third question, divisibility for this. So, if sum of the digits is, if the last digit of a given number is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5, otherwise it is not divided by 5. These 3 we did what? Divisibility test for 2, 3 and 5. Okay. Students, next one. So, which of the following divisible by 6? For a divisibility for 6, we have to check 3 table and 2 table. If the number is divisible by 2 as well as 3, the number is divisible by 6. First, this first one, given number is even, so divisible by it is divisible by 2. Next, sum of the digits, sum of the digits 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9 is divisible by 3. So, the number is divisible by so this number is divisible by 2 as well as 3. So, therefore, number is divisible by 2 and 3. So, it is divided by, it is divisible by 6. In this way we have to check either the given number is divisible by 6 or not. First we have to check in 2 table, either the number is even or odd. Once we check, if it is even, then it is divided by 2. Then after that we have to check for 3. So 3 table we have to find the sum of the digits. If sum of the digits divisible by 2, divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 2, divisible by 3. So here in this 6, so the number should be divided by 2 as well as 3. If any one is missing, the number is not divided by 6. Okay. Now here 49, number is odd number, number is odd. So why? Because here in ones place we have 9. So 9 is odd number, so this number is odd. So it is not divisible by it is not divided by 2. Once the number is not divided by 2, the first condition only here, whatever the first condition, divisibility for 2 is fails. If one condition fails, that means it won't divided by 6. No need to go for 3 table. Why? Because already the first condition for divisibility test for 2, it fails here. So don't check for 3. Okay. So no use for that. Okay. So the number is not divisible by 3. The number is not divisible by 3. Okay. The next one more question is there, similar question. That question you do as your home assignment. Okay. Next, the fifth bit, which of the followings are divisible by 10? For divisibility for 10, last digit we have to check, means ones place. In ones place, if 0 is there, then that is divided by 10, otherwise it won't. So here in ones place 5 is there, so it is not divisible by 10. The next one, here what is there in ones place? 7 is there, so it is not divided by 10, it is not divisible by 10. In ones place 7 is there, so it is not divisible by 10. Then next, here what is there in ones place? 0 is there. If in ones place 0 is there, then the number is divisible by 10. In ones place 0 is there, so it is divisible by 10. So in this way we have to check either the number is divisible by 10 or not. Okay. In the last digit, means in ones place, if 0 is there, then it is divisible by 10, otherwise it won't. Okay. So in this format we have to check for this 6 as well as this 10. Okay. So if we add 1 to the given number, so then the sum will be 15. So it will divisible by 3. So what we have to add? 1 we have to add. Already it is 14 is there. 14 is not there in 3 table, but 15 is there. For getting 15, more 1 we have to add. So it means if we add 1 to the given number, so it will be divisible by 3. Okay. Next, here also we have to find sum of the digits. Sum of the digits 7 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 6 is 19. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 6 19. 19 is not there in 3 table. So 3 6 are 18, 3 7 are 21. How much gap is there between 19 and 21? 19, 20, 21, more 2. It means we have to add 2. If we add 2 to the number it will be 21, then it is divisible by. In this way we have to check. First we have to find sum of the digits. So, whatever is there, the sum of the digits like this we have to take, and after that we have to think. So, 19, like 19 it will not come in 3 table, then what we have to do? Very next what will come after 19? So, nearest to that 19 greater value in 3 table, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18, 18 is the less value, we have to take more. So, it is added, he is asking, not minus. Added means we have to take extra more. So, means 3 7s are 21, very next more than 19 is 21. The difference is 2. If 2 is the difference, then more 2 if we add to the number, then it will be 21. In that case, it will divided by 3. So, in this way we have to think and we have to write what number should add. Okay, okay students.